Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove VPN from Android permanently, follow these step-by-step instructions to disconnect and delete VPN configurations. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device by tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Network and Internet or Connections depending on your Android version. Step 3. Look for VPN or Advanced. Then tap on VPN to see all configured VPN connections. Step 4. You will see a list of all VPN profiles set up on your device. Step 5. Tap the Settings gear icon next to the VPN you want to remove. Step 6. Select Forget VPN or Delete VPN profile to permanently remove it from your device. Step 7. Confirm the deletion when prompted by tapping Forget or Delete. Step 8. If you installed a VPN app, go back to Settings and navigate to Apps. Step 9. Find the VPN app in your list of installed applications and tap on it. Step 10. Tap Uninstall to completely remove the VPN app from your Android device. After uninstalling, restart your device to ensure all VPN configurations are cleared. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.